To enable Nested Virtualization, we will need to go through the next steps. Before starting, make sure the virtual machine is turned off. Edit your virtual machine name in the command. Copy the command and paste it into a PowerShell window with administrator rights. Now, the Hyper-V platform should be available for installation. Go to Control Panel. Go to Programs, then select Turn Windows Features on or off. Hyper-V platform is available for installation now on the virtual machine. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.